In this video, we're going to take a quick tour of Deck 5 in the Piazza on Emerald Princess right after this. We're going to start our tour on Deck 5, which is Plaza Deck. This is the International Cafe. They had gelato over there on the far right side. We'll go over and we'll see there's nothing there right now. We had just boarded the ship, but for most of the cruise, there was gelato there. Then they had a wide variety of interesting pastries and, let's say, call them light meals that you could get. And it varied from day to day and time of day. But everything that we tried there was very tasty. Lots of pastries. And this was the area where you got coffee. Over there on the right. And as you can see, the crew was very happy to see me and get their videos taken. But you could get all your specialty coffees there. Coming up next, we have Good Spirits at Sea. And there was typically a show here every night, crafting different kinds of cocktails. And it was quite a pleasant place to sit, drink, and enjoy the view there and listen to the music in the Piazza. You saw my wife sitting back in the corner there a little bit, doing some talking. In this area, we have 6 elevators total. There's 2 panoramic lifts on the left side, and then there are 4 elevators on the right side, plus a staircase that goes up. Now, what we find here is that people are coming on board. This is where you enter the ship during the boarding process at Fort Lauderdale. As we go by this area on the right, the Internet Cafe is there, as is the Future Cruise Sail area. So if you're looking to book a cruise, they'll be glad to help you with that. And the next area that we're going to see on the right side here is Vine's Bar. And this is primarily a wine bar. You can get mixed drinks here. One interesting thing about it is they serve tapas, just little light bites, with a purchase from the bar. As you look around the Piazza, you'll see that there's plenty of space between the seats. Now, part of this may have been due to COVID, but my wife never had a problem accessing anything she wanted with her wheelchair. Off the Piazza, you can see the art gallery behind it. And again, everybody was quite glad to see us back on board. There's my wife sitting there. We're going to take a quick look at the beautiful Piazza. Now, this was right after New Year's, so they did have Christmas decorations still up. But the Piazza area on Emerald Princess is just gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. You get a taste of it looking up here as I go around in a circle. If your subscribe button is red, you need to hit it so it'll change colors. We'll see you in the next video.